Hi guys, Namaste and welcome to my channel Reviewer Chokri. I am your reviewer Chokri Veena Lobo and welcome to another video on my channel. If you are seeing this face or looking at these curls or hearing this voice for the first time, which I'm sure you definitely are, then click on the subscribe button which is below this video. Click it. उसको रेड है उसको ग्रे कर दो बिकॉज उसको रेड रहना बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है. And so this video is going to be a DIY on flaxseed gel for all girls with curly hair, wavy hair, and even if you are having straight hair, you can use it for your styling. If you don't want to use, the curling iron or any other products to style your hair, this is a great gel, guys, and it's my recent favorite. And for all those guys जिसने DIY सुन के सोच लिया है कि उनको अभी ये वीडियो क्लोज करना है, because I know that it takes a lot of effort if especially you are watching this on a weekend to leave your binge watching and then switch on a YouTube video और वो भी DIY मतलब सब मेहनत हमको ही करनी है यार, मुझसे तो ना हो पाएगा. But I assure you that I'm going to make your time worth it and this is going to be easy. I know a lot of people say that most DIYs are easy, but this one is genuinely easy and it's worth it, guys. Come on, look at the definition that I'm having in my curls right now. Just look at it. This is because I've already applied the gel and I'm going to show you how to do it, how to make this flaxseed gel and get these kind of curls and take care of your hair. So let's go. I have not used any styling products or any curl cream products. I have just shampooed my hair and I've used a conditioner. And I've used the Khadi coconut shampoo. I have also made a video on it. If you have not yet checked it out, click on the I button and check out that video of mine. And I've used the Khadi coconut conditioner. I have not yet put a review on it, which I will try and do.
To prepare this flaxseed gel, take a medium-sized vessel. Add 2 teaspoons of flax seeds to this. Then add 2 cups of water, which is about 250 ml each. Later we can increase the quantity of water or even the flax seeds if required. Then only if you need for extra nourishment, this is a recipe that I have seen from Suma. You can add methi seeds, fenugreek seeds, chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of any hair oil or essential oils that you would prefer for your hair. Give it a good stir and then keep it on the gas for boiling. Boil it till a time where you don't see, a frothy substance, a froth get accumulated on top of this. Just add the additional flax seeds if you require and again bring the whole thing to boil till you don't see the frothy liquid on top like this. After boiling for about 5 to 10 minutes, your gel will now be ready. As you can see that it is thick and it's ready to be strained. So to strain, the ideal way to do it is use a cloth like this where you put your all flax seeds here and squeeze out the gel. But I did not get the desired results, so I am using a large strainer here where I have poured all of the gel as hot as it is. I've poured it into the strainer and as you can see, all of the gel has been accumulated in the bowl below. I will try and move this gel as much as possible when it is hot so that all of the gel is extracted, because as soon as it starts to cool down, it becomes lumpy and you might not be able to extract that much gel from it. So try and do it as much as possible when it is hot. Now you can see that all the gel is accumulated over here and that it is not too gummy, it's not too runny. It has this perfect medium consistency that you would require to apply on your hair without any lumps or without any molds. Now for the remaining part of the flax seeds, I have again put it in this cloth that I had shown you earlier and I will squeeze out all the excess gel from here as much as possible. And now the gel is ready. As you can see that it is not too gummy, it's not too runny, it's having this great consistency. I am trying to break any molds or lumps that have been formed here so that when I apply, the application process is smooth and it is like the gels that you get with your products or like your gel products. Now I'll store the gel in a bottle in a really clumsy manner here. Please do use a funnel. I do not have a funnel with me at home, so I have done this. And all of the gel that gets accumulated in the bowls or vessels here, I will use that for my hair first. And I'll use that for my hair first. And this bottle can be stored in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. And if you store it out, you can use this gel for about 5 to 7 days or to a week. Then for the remaining part of the flax seeds, you can just drain them underwater, run them underwater, and then store them in a nice container in the fridge and use it next time for your gel. So I have used an old t-shirt to tie up and dry my hair, as I don't have a microfiber towel. And for the detangling process and for removing all the knots, I have used my Khadi coconut conditioner, as I don't have a leave-in conditioner or a hair cream on me right now. I've done all of that process in the bathroom after I washed my hair and I conditioned it. I used the conditioner from the root to the tip to open up my hair and remove all the tangles and all the knots. Now I'm just removing the little knots and tangles that are still remaining in my hair, so that I can use the gel, the flaxseed gel that I've prepared in a smooth manner, and so that there are no knots or anything when I'm applying it. And one of the most important things for curly hair is the hydration part of it. It's important to have your hair, well moisturized. Your hair has to be dripping with water when you apply any kind of product or, any kind of gel or solution that you have prepared, any kind of DIY stuff that you want to do for your hair. It's important that your hair be very well moisturized for that product or any solution to work on your hair to get absorbed, and for that particular product to give you the best kind of results. So here, even after washing my hair, I am still spraying some water and making it wet, and then using the gel that I have prepared. So I am taking now some of the gel that I have made and I'm putting it on my scalp here, because it is a bit runny and I have dropped a lot of it on the floor already. So I'll work it up from the root to the tip. Every strand of my hair I have completely made sure that it is absorbed and it has enough flaxseed gel. Use this flaxseed gel generously, and make sure that all of your hair, all of your curls, every part of it, every strand of it is nicely covered in this flaxseed gel. And then go on to the most important technique of having a curly hair, or using a gel on curly hair, and that is scrunching. All I did on this day for 5,000 hours was scrunch and scrunch and scrunch and scrunch, because I'm sure every curly haired girl watching this video will agree to me that if their arms and hands hurt after doing all the process of right from shampooing to conditioning to deep conditioning to applying a curl cream or gel, everything is about finally how well and gently and for how much time you scrunch your hair, and how well you allow the products or any kind of solution to get absorbed in your hair, for all of it to work very well for your curls, so that it gives you the final good definition and good curls, good volume, good bounce, and all of it. So yeah, scrunch and scrunch away. This gel is not even very sticky. It's light, like I showed you pehle, that it only looks that it is very sticky, but it is not at all sticky. It's very lightweight. Even after it drying up, it doesn't feel that it is heavy in any way. And because there is so much water already in my hair, and then there is this flaxseed gel, so my hair will easily take 3 to 4 hours to dry. Even though my hair is thin and everything, it will take easily that much time to dry, because I don't have a diffuser on me. So I am just going to air dry my hair, and air drying my hair with after having so much moisture and so much water and flaxseed gel is going to take a lot of time. So when it finally dries up, like I said, after 5,000 hours, I'll show you the results of how this has turned out for me. And yeah, so let's wait and watch. So while I'm doing all the scrunching in the background, let's understand why flax seeds are so amazing. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. It is a great source of antioxidant. If you have issues related to dandruff, hair fall, it helps in solving them. It promotes new hair growth. It prevents premature graying. And if you have rough, dry, frizzy hair, mostly I think curly haired girls will agree to me that it is a mood for us, and it is almost like, every other day we have frizzy hair. So it helps, greatly in that. And even the chia seeds that we have added to this particular gel, it's again having a lot of essential fatty acids. And the methi seeds that we added are also a high source of potassium and protein, so it again stops your hair loss and promotes regrowth. So this is how my hair looks after it is drenched with flaxseed and water अच्छी तरीके से. I just wanted to show you that so that we can compare the results and you can see how my hair looks after this. And yeah, even I'm excited to see whether how this is turning out, because I have used this in the past and I hope that today also it gives great results. So you guys can see it and you guys also can use this for your own hair. So let's wait and watch.
So guys, my hair has become fully dry. Abhi, I had done the whole process, of applying that flaxseed gel on my hair by around 12 p.m. ish, and it's 4 p.m. now and I'm shooting this video. So I just shot the intro part of this video with my dry hair, and this is the part where I show you what is the kind of definition that this flaxseed gel has given me. So guys, look at the curls, look at my curls, look at the definition. It's all curled up, it looks moisturized, it has a shine, a kind of gloss on them, and it's light. It doesn't feel like I have applied something very heavy on my hair, even though the gel look wise it looks very sticky, but it is not at all sticky. It's kafi lightweight. I've showed it to you while applying also. So yeah, this is the definition it has given me. If I can show you single strands of the curls. This is it guys, this is the curls. I'm also going to put some pictures that I have taken with my dried hair, with my full dried hair, and I will put it at the end of this video if this current video is not giving enough lighting or you are not able to see the best results that I am having with this flaxseed gel. It is a great DIY for me, because at any point in time you feel that your curling products have got over and that you want to use something which is homemade. It gives you a good a good definition, although this definition might not last for more than 1 day or 2 days. Probably by the second day of your hair wash you might start to lose the kind of definition that your curls are having. My hair is light and it is thin, so it kind of starts opening up very easily from the crown area. But if you have applied a leave-in conditioner before doing the flaxseed gel, or like a hair cream, so this definition or this hold will last you for at least I think 2 to 3 days. Then probably your curls might start opening up, or it might not stay, probably it might not give you the hold it is having at the moment. I just realized that because I'm standing and doing this video as compared to all other videos of mine where I'm sitting and doing this video, I have moved so much in this video that I am just going to stand here and do this allocation competition pose. I don't know if it's helping, but I'm just going to stand here and try not to move. I'll really try, but because I'm restless like that, so I keep pacing around and I can't stop doing it. So guys, that's it from me. If you have liked this video and the kind of results this flaxseed gel, this DIY flaxseed gel has given me, then please subscribe to my channel, click the red color button which is below this video, and also give it a good thumbs up, and let me know if you are ever going to try this for yourself, or if you have already tried a flaxseed gel for yourself at home. Please let me know how has your experience been, or if you're going to give this a shot, then let me know how your results are going to be. Please tell me that in the comment section. And till I don't bring you another video which is devoid of harmful chemicals, stay tuned to my channel. Don't stop this video without doing 4 things, that is subscribing, liking, commenting, and yes, sharing it with your friends, family, work groups. Let me know if you enjoy my content, or if you want me to do anything in particular, comment and let me know. I will definitely look into it and try and make a video on it. एंड या टिल वी डोंट मीट नेक्स्ट टाइम, लाइक आई ऑलवेज से, सुरक्षित रहिए और केमिकल फ्री केयर करते रहिए. Ta-da!